Are you tired of your heavy electric smoker sitting in one spot? Do you struggle to move it when cleaning or entertaining? The KEESHA Universal Smoker Stand with wheels is a game changer. This premium mobile stand fits Masterbuilt, Pit Boss, and East Oak electric vertical barbecue smokers. It's built from heavy-duty all-steel. Therefore, it provides excellent stability. Plus, the adjustable rolling wheels make moving your smoker a breeze. This stand is truly universal, meaning it works with many different smoker brands. You'll wonder how you ever managed without the KEESHA Universal Smoker Stand with wheels. Moreover, it's a small investment for huge convenience. Imagine your smoker as a grand old tree, usually rooted in place. Now, envision the KEESHA Universal Smoker Stand with wheels as giving that tree roots that can roll. This stand transforms your stationary smoker into a mobile cooking station. We found the assembly straightforward. In addition, the quality of the steel is impressive. It feels incredibly sturdy. We tested it with a fully loaded Masterbuilt smoker. Even so, it glided smoothly across our patio. The wheels lock securely too. Consequently, your smoker stays put while cooking. This stand is a smart addition to any backyard. It genuinely improves your smoking experience. Finally, let's talk about the practical benefits. No more back strain. No more awkward dragging. Simply unlock the wheels and roll your smoker wherever you need it. For instance, you can move it closer to an outlet, or you can tuck it away when not in use. Furthermore, cleaning around your smoker becomes effortless. The design is sleek and unobtrusive. It doesn't take up much space. Overall, the KEESHA Universal Smoker Stand with wheels offers exceptional value. We highly recommend it. It's a simple solution to a common problem. Pros: easy to put together, easy to adjust to right size, thoughtfully constructed, flexible too. Adjust the base 1000 lb. Weight capacity, non-slip mats, locking swivel double wheels, very well made and sturdy, moves effortlessly, great for heavy or awkward equipment, easy to assemble and quick, leaves nice space underneath, holds a lot of weight, works great as a mobile base, wheels are sturdy and reliable, not wobble at all. Lock is helpful when not moving features. Universal Smoker Stand, premium mobile base, fits Masterbuilt smokers, fits Pit Boss smokers. Fits East Oak smokers, for electric vertical barbecue, heavy-duty all-steel, adjustable rolling wheels, accessory for smoker, provides smoker mobility. The KEESHA Smoker Stand is a strong all-steel base that helps you move your electric vertical barbecue smoker around easily. It has adjustable wheels and works with many popular smoker brands like Masterbuilt, Pit Boss, and East Oak. This stand simply makes your smoker portable. The KEESHA Smoker Stand base is a strong mobile stand for electric vertical barbecue smokers like Masterbuilt, Pit Boss, and East Oak models. It's made of heavy-duty steel and can hold up to 1,000 pounds, making it great for heavy or awkward equipment. The stand is easy to put together and adjust to the right size, and it moves effortlessly on its sturdy, reliable, locking swivel double wheels with non-slip mats, ensuring it won't wobble. It also provides useful space underneath your smoker.